Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Chainlink and we will be discussing if this move to the downside that we have experiencing for the last 4 months now will continue as we head into the second half of March, or if this was our local bottom and we are about to see a reversal in the next couple of weeks. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also check out my Patreon account as I post a weekly risk metric dashboard in there, custom charts, tips on when to buy and sell. You will also be able to see my own crypto portfolio and how I personally manage it, and all of this for only €9 a month. So check it out if you are interested, of course. And without further ado, let's get into this one. So if you don't know what Chainlink is, it's basically a decentralized network of oracles which aims on enabling the interaction and connection between real-world data into smart contracts and vice versa. And although Chainlink has had a lot of success back in 2018, 2019 and 2020, since the price went from less than 20 cents, all the way up to $53, it's fair to say that most of 2021 wasn't that good. I mean, the price action wasn't really that convincing, and since November, the price has been in this continuous downtrend, which has been quite underwhelming and disappointing for a lot of investors, especially those that bought in here. Now, Chainlink is stuck in this current high volume node between 14 and $10, and this high volume node plays the role of a magnet simply because there was a lot of trading activity in here in the past. So this is a clear indication that there were a lot of supply and demand in here in the past, which makes it much harder for the price to escape these areas. So I do honestly expect Link to spend the second half of this month in here between 10 and 14 to 14.5 US dollars. Now, if Link manages to get out of this zone like we did back at the start of last year, then the next price target to look out for will surely be in this next high volume node. However, I really doubt it, as there isn't a lot of demand right now, and this issue isn't with Link specifically, by the way, but with the entire cryptocurrency asset. We have been experiencing a lack of retail interest to enter the market, and we have also been seeing a decreased volume, and these two things are an obstacle. They are obstacles for the price action. If we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator now to have a better idea on our momentum, we can see that on the daily time frame, the blue LSMA and red RSI are still below the level of 50, meaning that we still have a downward pressure. The green RSI is also falling down, so things don't look that great. On the 3 days time frame, things aren't that different, and although the green RSI is mainly moving sideways, the blue LSMA and red RSI are still below this mid-yellow line, which is, by the way, the level of 50, which is a bearish sign. In order for us to start talking about a bullish momentum, the red RSI and blue LSMA need to trend up high again, like in here, or also here. Look how back in Q3 of last year we had this bullish phase. After our lines went up, red RSI and blue LSMA trended up high in here, and the price just started going up, and this bullish momentum remained for a long time until the red RSI fell down again in here, which ended up triggering calls for a downward pressure and indicated a shift in the trend from bullish to bearish again. So to conclude, things remain bearish for Chainlink for the time being, and I wouldn't honestly expect much. We still don't have any signs of a rally or of a bullish momentum, to be honest. In my opinion, Link is one of the best projects in the space and it's truly undervalued, but that doesn't imply that the price should rally, and that's what people seem to forget. Link is also still trending below the 50 weeks moving average, as you can see, which we have stayed above since 2019 if we ignored this brief drop, of course. And as long as we are below it, as long as we are below this line, there isn't really a whole lot of optimism. Our MA is above $25 now, while the price is currently at 13 US dollars, so that would be a hell of a stretch to revisit our line and to go above it. And this is another reason why I expect this bearish momentum to continue. A lot of people expected Link to perform quite well in the first quarter of this year because that's what Chainlink has done in the last 4 years, but it seems like 2022 has another story to deliver. This was about it, guys, for Chainlink today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join our Patreon if you are interested, of course. Have a nice day and peace.